As we made the video about the tour of our trailer, I said that you can see the installation of the washer on another video, and then Doug reminded me that we never did post that video, so here it is. Today is a happy day. We just went and bought a new washing machine. So we're going to open it up. And give the box to the baby. Look, Emmy. There's a box. There's a box.
So what did we win? Yeah, it said open now or you lose.
I guess we didn't lose because it's open. We won some work to install our new washing machine. It's a Splendide 2100 XC washer dryer.
Where's that gonna go?
In the hole in the wall.
Look at that, washer and dryer hookups.
No more laundromat. The last laundromat, the washing machine with the flip top lid was so rusty that chunks of the washer were falling off into it and everything came out smelling bad. So I'm excited to be able to wash clothes and actually get them clean. Alright, so it came with all the hoses that we need to attach it. And then we bought a vent kit, so we can cut a hole in the wall of the trailer and put that in so it's vented. We read online that the vented ones dry a lot better than the non-vented ones, like in half the time. And it says it takes 3 hours to do a full load to wash and dry, so I couldn't imagine having a non-vented one. It'd take 4 or 5 hours. Washer dryer is in. It's working great. Right there in the cupboard. You can see it drying. We've had it for about a month or two, probably 2 months now. It's been excellent having laundry in here and being able to keep up on it and keep everything clean and dry. It does take quite a while to wash and dry, probably 3 hours for the whole cycle, but that's not bad because we just put it in the morning, leave, come home, and it's clean and dry and ready to put away. So if you're debating getting a washer dryer for your RV, I would say go for it.
If you like this video, you should go check out our library, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel, check us out on Facebook or at Fulltime Family Road Trip.